Tenant states a baffle is missing inside my dryer. Yep, it definitely is, and I can hear something kind of rolling around in one of the other baffles, so we're going to pop it off and take a look inside. And look at all that stuff. We got, lint, garbage, Band-Aids, you name it, it's in there. Oh, and that was what's rolling around. Just a penny. Gonna go find one that, matches up well enough. When you take these off, the lint inside kind of does something funny where it kind of rolls around and creates these perfect little balls. And that just happens, through hundreds and hundreds of cycles, just tumbling around. All buttoned up, ready to go.